Ha! And this would be the gym. You missed! Yeah! I'm videotaping baskets. It's pretty fun, actually. And I can zoom in across the gym. There goes the basketball. This is entertaining.
Let's go.
No! Kayla doesn't want me to be here.
I know, because I'm...
There's Mr. Pizzolatto.
Oh, God.
Ah. And Chelsea. And other people. I'm almost... Kayla's very impatient.
I want to go back to our room.